Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 short-term and 10 long-term tips for a glowing transformation, also known as a glow up. Whether you're looking to improve your physical appearance, mental health, or overall well-being, these tips will help you achieve your goals. Short-term tips. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water every day will help to flush out toxins from your body and give your skin a healthy glow. Get enough sleep. Aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help your body repair and rejuvenate itself. Exercise regularly. Exercise not only helps to improve your physical appearance but also boosts your mood and reduces stress levels. Exfoliate. Removing dead skin cells from your face and body through exfoliation can help reveal brighter, smoother skin. Use a face mask. Applying a face mask once a week can help to deeply cleanse and hydrate your skin. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats into your diet to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Wear sunscreen. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by applying sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day. Moisturize. Keeping your skin moisturized can help to prevent dryness, flakiness, and premature aging. Get a haircut. A fresh haircut can instantly make you feel more confident and put together. Practice good hygiene. Brush your teeth, wash your face, and take regular showers to keep yourself looking and feeling clean. Long-term tips. Develop a skincare routine. Invest in quality skincare products and create a routine that works for your skin type to maintain healthy, glowing skin. Practice self-care. Make time for yourself each week to do things that make you happy and relaxed, such as reading a book, taking a bath, or going for a walk. Build healthy habits. Incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine, such as drinking green tea, meditating, or practicing yoga. Get professional help. Consider seeing a therapist or counselor to work through any mental health issues that may be holding you back from feeling your best. Set goals. Identify what you want to achieve and set specific, achievable goals to help you get there. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with friends and family who uplift and support you. Take care of your teeth. Visit the dentist regularly and brush and floss your teeth daily to maintain a healthy, bright smile. Dress to impress. Wear clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Practice mindfulness. Stay present in the moment and focus on the good things in your life. Develop good posture. Standing up straight with your shoulders back and your head held high can make you appear taller and more confident. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in your journey towards a glowing transformation. Remember, it's important to take care of yourself both inside and out, and with these tips, you can achieve your goals and feel your best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.